clean vehicle history. No accidents, recent trade-in, satellite radio, and one owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call. We value you as a customer and would love the chance to get you in this good-looking 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. It is nicely equipped with features such as 40/20/40 front split bench seat, cloth seat trim, heavy-duty suspension, OnStar 6 months directions and connections plan, radio, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color touchscreen, rear 60/40 folding bench seat, folds up, rear vision camera with dynamic guidelines, Sirius XM satellite and HD radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and wheels, 17x8 bright machined aluminum. This fantastic Sierra 1500 is the truck with everything you expect from GMC, and then some. Just the truck you're looking for. Come in today. We're just minutes from Hurricane, West Virginia, South Point, Ohio and Ashland, Kentucky.